Alright, Wednesday afternoon, a little bit later than what it was a little while ago, because when I came back to throw the bread out, all the birds had flown. Now half on my back again, only one cocky this time. Went away, did some shopping, come back. Now I've got the bin chickens over there. The ducks are here, but only one cockatoo. Kookaburra in the tree. He's up there. The magpies, which will be chasing the cockatoos. The ducks having their fun, chasing each other, being jealous. He's walking over to that pan. Look at the bird. What's he doing? Trying to get to the seeds underneath. I think Mum has to put some more seed out there. That's tomorrow. The ducks are always fun to watch as they chase each other around. Yep, cockatoo coming back to this one. Not enough sunflower seeds in the other one for him. There he is. Hey! Try and tell the magpie to get away. There he goes. Yep. Picking the pans up to move the seed, so you can get to the seed underneath. It's always fun to watch the pecking order of these birds, to see who's in charge of who. Cockatoos are definitely the arrogant ones, thinking they're in charge of everybody. Magpies are always trying to take control. The big chickens over there, they just pick up whatever's left. They don't go for the seed much, they just go for the bread and whatever else is out there. It's always fun with the bread. We found through all the different breads that are out there, the only ones they really eat and they like is the wholemeal. They don't like the seed breads. They don't like white bread, but they do all eat the wholemeal. The only ones that eat anything are those things, bin chickens. They're the only ones that eat almost anything just to get there. Lucky they don't come around all that often. And the only thing they really eat is the bread. So we've been buying seed now. How long have we been buying seed for? What, 6 months?
9 months.
9 months we've been buying seed for? So the ducks started coming around. We started with just 1 tray and then 2 trays and 3 trays. We've got 5 trays here. There he is. Look at him.
What are you doing, Cocky? Hey? What are you doing, Cocky? Oh, you down.
Whee, he's gone. Oh, Kookaburra. Yeah, kookaburras in at the end of the day, pick up some bread and whatever else they want to find. They too don't eat much seed. They mainly eat grubs and lizards and stuff. Big kingfishers. We don't have any little fish, guppies and stuff here. No place for fish. Otherwise they'd be into that. But the ducks, we don't get any baby ducks. I don't know what that is. Lots of baby ducks down the road where they've got water. On one of the other, two of the other properties have baby ducks, where the ducks nest and produce young. Up here they don't do that. They fly in, fly out. Bit of an argument happening between those two. Just nice to have that energy of nature to have all these birds here. It's nice. And bring them in. Yes. Alrighty. I'll just sit here a bit more and relax. You guys, thanks for watching. Call in again soon. Oh, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. It'd be much appreciated. As I sit back, relax, and enjoy the ducks and the other birdies. Okay. Love yous. Catch you later. Bye.